Overseeding is the application of grass seed onto an existing turf. Reasons for overseeding include the need to increase the grass plant density in a worn or thin area, to dilute the proportion of less suitable grass in the sward by introducing a greater proportion of sport-specific grass species. The equipment will have some method for opening up the soil surface to enable the deposited seed to make contact with the soil in order for the seed to take in soil moisture. To ensure the maximum germination rate of the seed being applied, soil and weather conditions should be considered before starting. If the weather following overseeding is dry, you may need to irrigate. The overseeding rate, i.e. the amount of seed required per square metre, will depend on the grass species being applied and reason. This could range from as little as 5 grams per square metre to as much as 60 grams, and you should check with your seed supplier for the recommended rate. Carry out a risk assessment and ensure you have the necessary PPE. Carry out daily checks on the machine, including things like checking the fluid and fuel levels, tyres, and that guards are fitted. As each machine is different, consult the manufacturer's handbook for guidance. There is a wide variety of this type of equipment, and while each will vary, there will be some way in which the rate of application can be controlled. This will need to be calibrated before the operation is carried out. Ensure the bags of grass seed received are correct and the bags are lightly shaken and mixed. Grass seeds vary in size and shape depending on the species and cultivators being used. The implement will be attached using the tractor's 3-point linkage system and should always be attached in the correct way and order. Check the pitch surface is free from debris and that conditions are suitable. Use guides to ensure an even coverage. These could be ranging rods, mowing lines or small markers. Operate the equipment at the required speed and swath width to ensure even coverage. Make sure the implement is switched off at the end of each run and lifted if needed prior to turning. It is unlikely you will cover the entire pitch with one load, and so it is best not to run out of seed in the middle of a pass. So check the amount of material that is in the hopper at the beginning of a pass and refill if necessary. Once the whole surface is treated, wash and clean down, then prepare the equipment for the next use.